Let's learn how to divide the number 360 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 3. It is less than 4, so we will consider the two digits, that is the number 36. We know that 4 times 9 is 36. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 4, so we will bring down this number 0 here. But see that this is the number 0, so we can remove one 0. But in this case, although 0 is less than 4, as we have brought down this number 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 360 divided by 4 is equal to 90. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.